Okay, welcome. We are doing the lecture guide for 7.2. Sorry, I need to zoom in a bit. There it is. Zoom. There we go. Okay. All right, and now we're going to do area and volume. Last time we did pretty much just length. All right, now remember that area, your units are always square. Okay, here's the formulas for area of a square, rectangle, or the area of a triangle. Area is measured in units. So how many square inches are in 1 square foot? Well, the thing with 1 square foot, I'm going to draw a little sketch up here. If this is 1 square foot, I don't like black. There we go. If this is 1 square foot, then each side is actually 12 inches long, right? So 1 square foot is going to have 12 times 12, or 144 square inches. All right, how many square feet are in 1 yard? Again, if this was a yard instead of a foot, then I would have 3 feet on each side. So I'm going to have 3 times 3, which is 9. So 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. Okay. Now, conversion factors. I don't really deal with conversion factors, to be honest with you, because it gets confusing whether you're talking of which direction you're converting. It flips the conversion factor. So I would just rather look at this the way we've been doing it. So 5 square feet, and you can always write it like that, 2 inches. So we know that 1 square foot is equal to, see, we can see it in this first row here, 144 square inches. So the feet squared cross out, we end up with 5 times 144. $720 square inches. All right, 62 acres. Sorry, 92 acres. To square feet. Acres and square feet, we have 1 acre is equal to 43,560 feet square. So I just have to do 92 times the 43,000 times 43,560. And I get 4,007,520 square feet. All right, that's a lot. All right, so now we're going to talk about millimeters and centimeters again. Now remember that 1 square centimeter is 100 millimeters. 1 square decimeter is 100 square centimeters. Square meters is 100 square decimeters, etc. Okay, 150 square millimeters and we need centimeters. So millimeters to centimeters, I know that I have 100 square millimeters and 1 square centimeter. So I have 150 divided by 100. That simplifies down to 3 over 2, which is, what 3 halves is, 1.57. centimeters squared. All right, for number 10, 10 squared decimeters, that's a 10, decimeters squared, 2 square meters. We know that in 1 meter squared, I have 10 decimeters squared. So 100 decimeters squared. Pardon. So this is going to be a 1 over 10 once I simplify that down, which is 0.1 meters squared. 10 squared decimeters is 1.1 meter squared. Okay. The relationship between units of volume. Now these are going to be cubed instead of squared, because we have the area of the base, which gives us a square, but then we have to multiply it by the height, which gives us cubed. All right, use the chart above to make conversion factors. 24 quarts, QU for quarts. I know I have 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Okay, so I have 24 over 4, which is 6 gallons. 5 yards cubic yards. You get that a lot in cement. You get that a lot in if you're buying rock, if you're buying soil, if you're buying wood chips in yard landscaping and stuff. You get a lot of cubic yards. All right, so 5 cubic yards. We know that in 1 cubic yard, oh, sorry, this should say feet and yards. 1 cubic yard is equal to 27 cubic feet. So I have 27 feet cubed. All right, I multiply this. I end up with 5 times 27, which I think is 135. 5 times 27. Yep, I have 135 feet cubed. All right, now we're going to look at metric units of volumes. This is where we get into liters, milliliters, and all that. Now again, their prefixes are the same. So, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So we have 34 liters, 3.4 liters, sorry, 3.4 liters. And so in 1 liter, we have 1,000 milliliters. So I'm really moving my decimal place 3 units. So 1 liter is 1, 2, 3. So it's 3,400 milliliters. Okay, the metric chart, remember the conversion, so it's the same thing. Remember we had, what was it? Oh, kilometers. So kiloliters, so that's a K, kiloliters to, well, I'm gonna write it the way they're writing it here. Okay, little k. Kiloliters to hectoliters, which we don't really use, to decaliters. Sometimes we use decaliters, liters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. Now we tend to not use centiliter or hectoliter, but anyway. 5.6 kiloliters to liters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 liters to milliliters. 1, 2, 3. So we have 7, 1, 2, 3 milliliters. Deciliter to liter is just 1 unit. So if I have 32 deciliters, I have 320 liters. Okay, and that's the end of section 2.